Oh, whoa, what happened? What happened? Wait. I'm so done with OBS right now. I was trying to get a nice blur intro, but that apparently messed more things up. Let's just put this at like the back. Yeah, this is alright, let's turn the blur. Okay, haha. Let's turn the blur off. Alright, now we are tracking her. We are tracking Hurricane Idalia. I said it'll be live later. Not really on time, but who cares? I mean, I kind of care, but anyways, we have a new tornado watch from Perry all the way down to Cape Coral for these outer band hurricanes. Whoa, outer band tornadoes. Really, I think this is going to be a massive, massive threat. Especially because this is rapidly strengthening. This is like rapidly strengthening. We have a massive eye now. Um, and this thing is going to come up here and hit the Carolinas. I might be live for the Carolinas part. I don't know. Um, maybe tomorrow as it hits the Carolinas, because that is the 31st, which is Thursday, 2 a.m. Thursday at 2 a.m. Thursday on 2 a.m. is actually insane. Meaning Fridays when what? That doesn't make sense. Um, yeah, Weather Channel is also in Charleston, South Carolina. Now that's what I'm watching. I'm watching the Weather Channel. We have a bunch of severe thunderstorm warnings and stuff. So let's get right to it. A lot of our severe warnings are near Montana. I'm not gonna cover that. Whoa, severe thunderstorm warning for an outflow boundary. An outflow driven severe thunderstorm warning for Great Falls. That's insane. Um, uh, now let's go to this, and you could start to see the 100. This velocity showing 114, 60 mile per hour winds in the eye wall, which is insane. I wonder what base reflectivity looks like. No, base reflectivity doesn't even work. But yeah, tracking Idalia. I thought it was Idalia. Idalia, but no, it's Idalia. Um, this is going to be a hurricane to remember. That's another thing. Um, this is going to be one of the most significant hurricanes to ever hit Florida, and it is not that weak anymore. It is. And he changed it. It's 165 millibars. So we've had a massive pressure drop just since I put this on. 65, which was hours ago, but that's still a pretty big pressure drop. Pretty bad, I meant. Uh, and Streamlabs, I got the stupid thing, so I have to, yeah. I got the plugin, so now I have chat that doesn't work. So I still have to have this. I'm gonna have chat open on my phone and make sure my volume's all the way down so I don't hear it. Alright, there. I have my chat on my phone. And I'm just close this for now because we don't really need this. But somebody's spamming the hearts and stuff. Thank you, mystery person, somebody. Who's doing that? Wait, who's doing that? Is that the Streamlabs? No. Who's even... That's interesting. Who the heck is spamming the stuff? Not that, like, it's funny. Is that the Streamlabs element bot? I don't know. Anyways, so we have this monster eye here, eye wall, all these bands. This thing is going. I'm pretty sure this is going to be category 4 at landfall. Low in category 4. 130-mile-per-hour winds. Uh, Definitely the strongest hurricane to ever hit this area of Florida. It's honest. It's kind of weird how Florida is getting just absolutely slammed. I mean, it's not really weird, but it had to come sometime in the year. I mean, didn't come in early August. Just came now. Anyways, yeah, tornado watch has been issued. I closed the stupid chat. Alright, yeah. I'm gonna zoom back. Alright, I'm gonna look at the tornado watch to see what it says. Alright, so it's a 60-20. That's the highest I've seen the probability since the. I don't even know when the last time I saw that. When's the last time I saw 60-20? Wait, yeah, it's a 60-20 tornado watch. Let me show it on here. Yeah, 60-20. Yeah, that's crazy. I haven't had a 60-20 in a long time. Until 6 a.m. This tornado watch goes all the way till 6 a.m. But I guarantee you they're going to take some areas out of the tornado watch before it ends. Most likely the deeper south areas because this thing is moving north. These areas are going to stay in it for the longest near Gainesville. Just because how this moving north. Yeah, we have. I'm going to open my stuff. We have Vince Whaley, who's not up. We have all of our storm surge cams. I'm gonna turn on some of my storm surge cams. Alright, so I have that up. Um, what else is there? Franklin's kind of dead. Yeah, Franklin's dead. It's not dead, just dying. But yeah. I'm interested to see how bad this impacts Florida because last time we've had a hurricane was only Ian. I'm saying that because it happens like just the next year and another major hurricane hitting Florida. Except this is way more rare since hurricanes usually don't hit the elbow of Florida. They like branch off this way. So they don't usually hit this area that is forecasted. So yeah, interesting. We have flash flood warnings in North Carolina. We have a bunch of these showers and thunderstorms. I believe these aren't from the hurricane. These might be from the hurricane. But yeah, most of these aren't gonna be from the hurricane. But yeah. These actually might be from the hurricane, but yeah. I noticed outside my house, which is in the Carolinas, that it is really, really, really hot. Or no, yeah, it's kind of hot. It's really humid. The humidity is insane. It feels like, ugh. Like when I was at school, it was so bad. The humidity was sticky. Ugh. But anyways, we have all these warnings being issued for Idalia here. One of these could have a hook right now. Alright, this area right here in Florida, Oh, my contrast is broken. Are you kidding me? Alright, we have a hook southwest of Live Oak. This is a hook echo signature. I'm gonna show you what I mean. Right here, kinda. What's happening? Why is it red? I'm gonna turn off my cone. My cone's useless. I hate my cone. Alright, that could be something. I'm telling you, that could be something right there. Because we do have a hook echo, which kind of correlates. Definitely gonna watch that area near Live Oak. I'm gonna go more south. We're getting a bunch of showers and thunderstorms just moving onshore to the north into inland Florida, near the Tampa area, St. Petersburg right now. Just gonna be insane. I'm also expecting major flash flooding right now, in the Tampa areas because one, the surge could pick up. It's going to pick up as time goes on. I'm in a moderate risk for flash flooding tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna have fun flooding myself over. It's not. It's gonna be the same level it is at landfall, if not worse, because it's gonna like. I think the rain might be worse midland inland, but the storm surge is the main threat. It's literally the main threat. Um, I wonder if they're going to issue a storm surge warning for the Charleston area, because there is supposed to be some storm surge. Nothing insane, so they're probably not. But yeah, I'm looking at Idalia again on this. Flash flooding potential. Yeah, again. Major flash flooding. Wednesday, especially if you're in South Carolina, you're familiar with the Midlands. That's kind of a term for the central South Carolina area. The central Midlands of South Carolina into the Macon, Georgia area. Kind of down through here is going to be the biggest flooding threat. Is down through here. I suck at drawing, but I know what I'm talking about. Um, Rainfall is 6 to 10 inches now in the southeastern Midlands areas. I'm gonna look at what this is talking about because 99% chance of rain tomorrow. Dude, it's gonna rain at some point tomorrow. Like, it's gonna be really heavy throughout the night. When I'm like at school, whatever, it's gonna be rainy, but not nearly as bad as the afternoon. But yeah, I'm not gonna run this for a whole while again. I only physically can run it till 10. So yeah, uh, I'm going to start focusing more on the tornado side of things near Live Oak because I have nothing else to do. Alright, now we don't have really anything. Near Lancaster. No. All these scattered showers I'm still gonna watch. Really down here should be the main threat, but it is rough looking for rotation right now. And by the way, this is the hurricane's eye wall. This massive area of wind. It's not the most accurate on radar just because it's one beam being sent out, so it's going to be very less accurate than it actually is. This is probably all around the center, not just on the sides. See, because there's a single beam. Radar's right here, so there's a single beam going like right here, and kind of detects around the beam. Yeah. Yeah, this is showing some powerful winds. Jeez, this thing, the radar is really making this look. Like major winds are slamming into the coast right now. Yeah, again, no rotation I could spot out. No hooks either. This is just gonna get worse too as it goes on, as we get the more of these strong thunderstorms moving inland. Also, Florida hurricanes this year have been really weird. Or Florida, my gosh. I keep on getting the word hurricane and tornado mixed up. Florida tornadoes. There's been Florida tornadoes this year. Like in June and July. Not because of anything tropical, just because of severe weather. And this is extra tropical. This is Irwin. Irwin is a weak one. Idalia was definitely worse. And yeah, I like how the Atlantic hurricane season was very behind compared to the Pacific. Now we're even. We have we are tied. I and I. And then we're about to be Jose. Jose is our next name. Jose is this one right here. It's not going to do anything. It's just going to be like Franklin. Franklin actually is going to cause some storm surge. It's going to kind of be not noticeable because of this coming through. But yeah. Alright. I'm caught up on millibart pressure. Caught up on everything on my thing. Um, this could be category 4. I already said that earlier, but this can 100% be a category 4 hurricane slamming into somewhere between Apalachicola. In my opinion, everywhere between like Perry, Cedar Key, Horseshoe Beach, Cross City, Cincinnati. I hate pronouncing the town names up here. Keaton Beach. That is where the worst impacts are going to be for storm surge and um just wind. Storm surge is also going to be really bad in the Tampa Bay. You're under a storm surge warning. Storm surge is going to be less bad through the East Coast. Um, yeah, I might get some tropical storm force winds. I don't know, but my school's a bit wonky, so yeah. Yeah, who knows? This could be one of the worst hurricanes to ever hit Florida. Who knows? I mean, right now, I don't know if it will be because Florida's been hit by a lot of hurricanes. I really don't know. Okay, I cannot. How do I turn that off? I hate this. I'm just gonna show. I'm so. Whoa! Huh? Why are you here? What are you doing? You're supposed to be Radar Omega. What is this doing? Dude, my stupid thing's breaking. Anyways, Jeez. Um, I might end it again. I'm gonna have like part 15. I'm gonna look at Ryan Hoyle's YouTube channel real quick because I'm interested. Ryan Hoyle. He's has to be streaming at Landfall tomorrow morning. Oh yeah, on satellite you can start to see an eye. It's another thing. Just everything's deteriorating. This is like definition of climate change. Like I hate to be like that, but this is a definition of climate change. You've two violent hurricanes at the same exact time, and it's just getting warmer. Like, yeah. Well, I'm just gonna go ahead and end this stream. I'm just gonna make sure. River flood warning for me, so yeah. I'm gonna see if my friend wants to chat. Alright, well, I will stream tomorrow. No promises when. I am calling my friend, so yeah.